Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, first and foremost, I have not shaved my hair in about 6 weeks. This is what my little afro looks like without shaving it for 6 weeks. And also I have a new foundation on. And I think I look a little orange in the sliding. Sorry about that. I probably look like a talking orange, which I am. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little haul of things that I've purchased since being back home. Literally, I got home, fell asleep, next day, went to the city, went shopping, and bought some things that have been on my list, my shopping list for a while now. And while I was in Florida, I have not purchased, or I did not purchase anything. And there are a few reasons why. One of the main reasons is that I find the shopping experience in Europe to be far more superior than in the United States, especially since for a lot of these items, they're considered designer and luxury. Half of these items are considered designer and luxury items. And so I just think that when you're paying a premium in the United States, because you are paying more money usually for these items, you should have better customer service, or the customer service should be representative of that, and it usually is not. And so with that being said, I'm going to start off with the most affordable item and work my way up to the most expensive item and give you guys a little background of all of the things that I purchased. I didn't purchase that many. There are only like 4 items here, so hopefully it's not too long of a video. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if any of this stuff is interesting for you, if you have any of these items. And let's get right into it, with the first item being from Lululemon. I already took it out of the bag, you guys, because it was a little stuffed in there. And it is my defined jacket, Luon material. So this is the, I like to call it BBL jacket, where it just like sucks you in. It gives you a nice silhouette, regardless of what size you are. And I really love this jacket, you guys. I have a dupe, and it's probably 2 years old, that I got from Kohl's. I honestly thought after the first wear it was gonna crumble apart, but 2 years later, for $3 clearance final sale, it has lasted. It has really pushed and pulled through, but it has a few holes. And so I finally told myself, upgrade this dang jacket. And it was a dupe for the defined jacket. And nothing will ever compare, but for $3, it could compare. There's really nothing for me to say about it, because $3 for a jacket, it's okay. The next items that I purchased were 2 pairs of shoes, which the first 2 items, you guys, like the jacket and then these shoes, they're not really luxury. They're not really designer, but I purchased them and I feel like they're going to be added to the list because I went shopping and I bought this all on the same day. These shoes, the first pair, they're basic, y'all. I remember my mom wearing these when I was a kid. I used to wear these as a kid. Not much has changed, but I bought these for school. That's the only reason I purchased these shoes, y'all. And they are these like classic Reebok white leather sneakers, because I have a pair of shoes that I wear for school and they are a hot ass mess, y'all. They look so bad, and I was like, come on, you need to upgrade, get some better shoes, some nicer shoes, and these are what I purchased. The next pair of shoes are I don't know if I want to keep them or not. I guess I will give you guys the ability to vote. If you've made it this long, if you sticked around to this part of the video, you can help me decide if I want to keep these shoes. And they are from Adidas, the brand with 3 stripes. They are the 4D forward to, I guess it's a 4D printed bottom base for the shoe. And these were not cheap. Like, they're not totally expensive, but they're not totally cheap. It's somewhere in the middle, because I have more expensive shoes, but I also have more affordable shoes. So they sit somewhere for me on the spectrum of more expensive. They're not designer or luxury branded shoes, which can cost you a couple hundred to thousands of dollars. But for a pair of Adidas shoes, they're not cheap. They are these, I don't know if you can see with the light, but like I said, they have the 4D printed bottom down here, and it's like this mesh material. It's just plastic, I think. And they're made for running, which I don't run, I don't jog, I walk, and walking is even like fast. They're very comfortable, but I also think that the man gave me too small of a size. And I don't remember if it was my fault or if it was his fault, but I'm just like, was this a good purchase? Was this a decent purchase. For $220, $230 was this, or is this a decent shoe? So the next item is going to be my Louis Vuitton item, which you guys are probably thinking that was the most expensive thing here, but it is not, it was not. And this is probably what all of y'all came here for, and that's perfectly fine. Now, if you don't watch my videos regularly, you don't know what this is, but if you watch my videos regularly, if you watch my previous upload, you will know exactly what this is, because I said in that video, I wanted this, I was gonna buy it, and it was already on its way to me, meaning I was already on my way to it. And so they gave me the book, the magazine, whatever this thing is. It is a magazine, y'all. They call it the book, but it's a magazine. And I'm going to have a little collection of these one day when I have my own home. Y'all, I'm speaking it into existence. When I have my own home, I'm speaking it. I'm a manifester. I'm gonna have a bookshelf and just have these sitting on the bookshelf. Or if I have like a guest bathroom, I'll have them sitting next to the toilet. So while you are sitting on the toilet, needing something to read, you can browse, you can peruse through the Louis Vuitton book. And this is number 15. I think I had number 12 last time. And then I also got some samples, which are, I think, 2 unisex or 2 men's, and then 2 women's. Rose de Vents and a Dreamcatcher. Y'all know I can't pronounce these things. And then Afternoon Swim, and then another one. And so this was a lot of talking. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is the item that I got, which you probably should know now what it was. I'm very sad about this little bow, though, that I have to untie it because it was so pretty. This isn't really a box, is it? It's a bag, technically, or an envelope. It's just an envelope. And I got the Le Sable Rose Eau de Parfum from Louis Vuitton. I can't read what that says. It's in French. So I would tell you guys what it meant or what it says, but I don't speak French. I can't pronounce it, and it is what it is. But we're gonna open it now. Take off this little thing. This is the first time I'm opening it with you guys, and I'm so excited about this dang perfume. So if you watched my previous upload, you would have known this was I don't know if it was like a limited edition, but it was a special collection, I think, of like the desert that Louis Vuitton put out. In German, it's like the Oriental collection, but in English, I think it's called the Oud collection, or vice versa. It's a little bit darker. I feel like these scents are a little bit darker than Louis Vuitton scents. They're very similar to their normal, like regular collection scents. They're just darker. Oud. That's like the dark element to a lot of these scents. I just like this one, and this is what it looks like, y'all. Take it out. I don't get my perfumes like with my initials. I say I want to do that sometimes, but I really don't like it, don't need it. And this just smells amazing, y'all. I tried because a lot of people were recommending, if I liked this, that I would like the Nomad, the something Nomad, and I think it's from the same collection, and it's just it's a tick too masculine for me. It's still a very nice scent. I think I would give it like as a gift to a man. I wouldn't like it for myself. It's just a tick too masculine. This one is like the perfect in between masculine, feminine. I feel like the Fleur Desert one, the desert flower one, is a little too feminine, and so this one sits right in between those two somewhere. And I just love, oh my god, this perfume, you guys. So moving on to the last and final item from Rimowa, you guys, and this video is going to be extremely long. I'm sorry about that, and you're probably wondering what's in this tiny bag. I'm going to give you the backstory. It's going to be long, y'all, and I'm sorry about that. You can fast forward to the unboxing if you want, but if you saw my Rimowa personal clutch hand body crossbody unboxing, you would have saw that I purchased a blue crossbody bag from Rimowa, and I loved the bag, you guys, but I realized that it was a very impulsive purchase. And the reason it was impulsive was because I went to 2 different Rimowa stores looking for a Rimowa personal crossbody clutch, and I had particular colors that I wanted, and they didn't have them. And so the only one they had available online that could be shipped to me in time, like before my trip, was the blue one. So I was very happy that I got the blue one because it matched my suitcase that I have, my cabin carry-on bag. I was very happy about that. and I did like the color, but I realized that it was impulsive and that I wanted to wear it outside of traveling. I realized in the video I said, oh, I'm only using this for traveling, but then I thought to myself, this is a really cool bag that I can use outside of being on an airplane and traveling. And so I wanted a color that was more versatile, more just like I could use it for more things. And so that is what I got in this bag. Grüße aus Berlin. This is just the Rimowa's Guide to Berlin. I think that they had like an exhibition there or something, and that's why they gave me this. If I'm not mistaken, the people there were amazing at this Rimowa store. I ordered the blue one online, so I didn't have the opportunity to go in store and shop. So I really liked the shopping experience. Plus the little bag was so cute, you guys. It was so like Rimowa-esque. Oh, my receipt is in here as well. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. The Lululemon jacket, 108 euros. Those shoes, I think they were like $220, $230. I don't remember the euro price. The Reeboks that I purchased were maybe 90-ish. The perfume was 345 euros. And then this bag, if I'm not mistaken, was, which technically I didn't buy it. I mean, I did spend the money, but because I already had the like blue one and I returned it, it was 1,000 euros. It's 1,250, I think, in the United States. So 1,300, 1,400, depending on your tax number, what state you live in. And this is the bag that I got. Oh, I thought it was gonna pop out for you guys. And I was debating if I wanted to get this in polycarbonate or in aluminum. So that should also tell you what color I got. And it is the personal crossbody clutch, right? Personal crossbody bag, polycarbonate in the black color. And y'all, you can just tell, you can just see that this looks so much sexier, in my opinion, than the blue one. Unfortunately, I don't want to say that because it was cute, you know, it was a moment, have something matching, but this is just sexier. Black on black on black on black on black. Like, and it was between this and the aluminum one. The aluminum one was $250 more. And for some people, they like that matte look, but I do think that this glossy, like the way the polycarbonate looks, in my opinion, is nicer. And I know that it's cheaper and people are like, oh my gosh, it's cheaper, but I don't care about that. I just like what I like. And the difference between, I think the polycarbonate also, there are a few like minor details. The, like here, I believe this button is up here. I believe that there's Rimowa on each side. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if these are a little different or not, like these little things right here. I believe they might be a little different, but same exact bag as the blue one, just a different color. I also like that everything is black. The inside, you know, black on black on black. Like I said, everything is black. Even the zippers, they're like a gunmetal gray. And with the blue, maybe it was gunmetal too, and I just didn't notice because it was blue, but this just looks so sexy. And I want to wear this as like a normal bag when I'm going out. I think, you know, black leggings, black jacket, and my little Rimowa crossbody, black out with a black hat. Ooh, if I can put it on, y'all. Just looks so much, well, I gotta fix the strap. Hold on 1 minute. Just looks 20 times better. Other than that, I'm going now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very long video. I hope that you saw something or found something that you liked. If not, sorry about that. Wait until my next shopping video, and I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.